Hello and welcome to my channel AprilFlower. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for crispy fried chicken masala burger. In this recipe we'll fry the chicken with Indian spices or masala, hence I call it the chicken masala burger. Let's see how to make it.
I have taken here 6 boneless and skinless portions of chicken thighs, which comes to about 450 grams or 1 lb. I prefer to use chicken thighs because they are more flavorful and juicy. However, normally breast portion is used, so you may go ahead and use half breast portions as well. Firstly, we need to pound the chicken. For that, we'll place a piece on a plastic wrap and cover it. With the help of a rolling pin, we'll pound it in order to get a thin slice of even thickness. This process will help the chicken to cook evenly and faster, and also makes it easier to place it inside the burger buns. So I have pounded all of the portions. In the next step, we'll marinate the chicken. For that you will need 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half a tablespoon of ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon each of black pepper powder and chaat masala powder, which is optional, some salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of lime juice and a teaspoon of cooking oil, and give it a good mix. We'll divide the marinade into 6 equal portions and rub it onto the chicken pieces and give it a good massage. We'll let the chicken marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the ingredients required for the coating of chicken. For that, in a bowl, I'm gonna take half a cup of refined flour, that is Maida, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, half a teaspoon each of salt, red chilli powder, black pepper powder and garam masala powder, and mix all of the ingredients thoroughly. In another bowl, we'll beat in 1 egg and add 1/4 cup of plain milk and mix it in very well. In the next step, we'll coat the marinated chicken with the flour mixture first and then dip it into the egg wash and again give it another coating of the flour mixture. We'll now keep the chicken pieces in the freezer for about 10 minutes. This will allow the coating to set and also helps to make it crispy. In the meantime, we'll prepare the sauce mixture for the burger. For that, in a bowl, we'll take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, here I'm using Sriracha, and a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You may vary their ratio depending on your taste. We'll give it a good mix, and that's it, the sauce mixture is ready. Alright, the chicken was in the freezer for 10 minutes. Now it's time to fry them. We'll heat some cooking oil in a frying pan at medium heat. When the oil is hot, we'll place the chicken pieces and fry them at medium heat. Make sure the heat is at medium so that the chicken can cook from the inside and also crisp up on the outside. We'll just keep them moving around to ensure even cooking. One side will take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook, and then we'll flip them and fry them on the other side as well for another 4 to 5 minutes, or until you get a uniform golden brown color. Alright, the chicken is all done and has got a nice golden brown color and turned crispy. We'll transfer them onto a sieve to drain off the excess oil and also allow the steam to escape. Now it's time to assemble the burger. So onto the lower half of the burger bun, we'll spread some of the sauce that we had prepared earlier. Onto that, we'll place a lettuce leaf, then the crispy fried chicken and a slice of onion, that's optional, a slice of tomato. You may spread some of the sauce on the other half of the bun as well. And that's it. Here's the crispy fried chicken masala burger.
So that was my recipe for chicken masala burger. Hope you liked it. If you do so, please give it a thumbs up. You may serve the fried chicken as such as a starter or appetizer, or the whole chicken burger for a meal. Please do try it and write your feedback in the comment section below. You may also follow me on my social media and my second channel, AprilFlower Beauty and Health, for skincare and hair care tips. The links will be in the description box below. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.